Chick, chick, chick. Chick, 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 chick. Grabbed her right out of my hand. Chick, 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 chick. Oh, here comes Golden Boy. Yep. Yep. They're going crazy. Just got it now. It's like a game of soccer or something. I don't know what they call this. I think this is going to be the new sports. Welcome to Crazy Bob's Pandemic Sports Channel. What do we call this game? We call it chicken bread. I got a few more pieces. Chick, chick, chick. My neighbor's chickens, they're all hens, not mine. They come over here looking for bugs or something. There we go. What we gotta do here? Watch this. Yeah, here they come.
That chicken all flying with it. Get away from my bridge.
How come these chickens don't have on face masks? Get 6 feet apart, or you'll be 6 feet under. You're not allowed to buy carpet, or you can buy pot, but no cigars. Time for one more. That's it. Chick, chick, chick. Come on, Golden Boy, what's the problem here? Oh, I got one more heel in here. These chickens will be coming around here all the time now. Here we go. Well, I guess they're getting full. We could have a cockfight, but these are hens. What we call it? Oh, I can't say that word. Was something else fight? A hen party? Chick, 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 chick. It's a beautiful golden hen. Well, you look good over the fire there. People like looking at cat videos. Is there many chicken videos on YouTube? I mean, I got to look at cat videos for hours at a time.
For my deep fried mushrooms.
Deep fried? Throw it over here. Deep fried mushrooms. No like.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, maybe some do. Oh, that one picked it up. No. They don't like pistachios, even if you break them out of the shell. Well, for the finale, I'll burn this bag on the fire and we can watch plastic melt. Very entertaining these days here. 2020, the year the Earth stood still. And here's what Patricia Neal looks like now. Look pretty good for being 80 years old.
I want you to take pictures of me.
Alright, here are the chickens. Here's what I wanted to do. Grand finale. I hope we're not spreading the bird flu or anything. You guys are brave little suckers. No, they didn't look. No, somebody must have. No, it's still there. Yeah, that's where. Just like we used to have stray cats around here, and we got stray chickens. Bye, 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 bye.